You like smartwatch? Yes, I'm sure you like. And if you like smartwatch, that means mostly everyone likes. So I have a business opportunity based on the interest levels that's going on today. If you see in Amazon.com, people are selling smartwatches and they're making great amount of sales. 28,000 sales. Just look at this. $30, 3,000 sales. $90,000 value of sale. $40,000, $120,000 value of sales. 2,000 sales at $37. 1,000 sales. I'm just talking about the last month sales only. So that means one thing is clear. These products are in demand. Same if you go to Etsy.com, you can see here also that these products have got great amount of pricing. And today the world is shifting from analog to digital, and that's where there are a lot of features which are getting added in this, and people want trendy items like this. I want you to learn that how you can get started with an e-commerce business, even if you are a working professional today, how you can get started with a business which is going to give you profits that you always wanted, to give you that financial freedom. I want you to think of an opportunity which you can do from your home, which can be completely online. For example, this is my e-commerce store. I have been making profits in this by making sales. I have about 8,000 plus products listed in my e-commerce store. If you see my last 30 days analytics, these are my sales and my numbers. Same way if you go for my lifetime, this is live data which I'm showing you. So same way if you see the plugins, the softwares, you are going to get SEO, social media marketing, all that marketing softwares are included in this, AI tools, chat tools. So what I'm giving you is basically a complete ready business opportunity. So this business has got the database of suppliers, buyers, and also the different type of watches, not just smart watches, but also the normal wrist watches that also can be sold. Even not just watches, but also clocks can be sold. So you can just list all these things into an e-commerce store. I'll give you the supplier's contact. Just list all these products. It's a no-brainers business model today, and making a great amount of profit in such business is good and easy, lucrative, because these products are also manufactured in India. The prices are less, and so many people are making great amount of profits in such kind of things because they are small in size and they're sold at very high prices. So the cost is hardly about 100 rupees and selling price is about 2,000, 3,000, 5,000, and it goes on. So you can make about 10 to 12 lakh rupees of monthly profits in this smartwatch business if you get started with the single product, single niche, and get started with the profit making strategy that I'm sharing you. So this is the ready-made e-commerce store builder. You can just design your own site like this. This is an example site. You can just customize it completely. This is non-technical. You don't have to have any technical knowledge for this. The store builder will be with you. You can have your own brand name like this, and you can start your own e-commerce brand and start making profits. So many people are as normal people like you without any technical understanding, but they're also doing great amount of business. So with the right mentorship and guidance, even you can do it. So this is the store that I'm showing you. Like this, you can start selling under your own brand and you can make profits in this. So name your store, add the products, and start selling is the concept. So the watches and clocks, especially the digital smartwatches, are in very high demand, and this is where I suggested you get started with the business today with IIC. So what I'm giving you is the complete mentorship on how to sell products online on Amazon, Flipkart, Meesho, and many more marketplaces, how to start selling through your own e-commerce store, how to do drop shipping, how to do B2B e-commerce, that is exports. And you can get started with this business at a very low cost, because this is going to be a complete end-to-end mentorship and support that I'm giving you. Here you're going to get 17 certifications as bundle so that you can have complete understanding of e-commerce business. Even if you are later looking for a job opportunity, we can assist you in that as well, because we have got companies where jobs are open. But if you are looking to start your own business, this is the best you can do. So the CEP program is a bundle of all the modules that you're seeing, including the certifications. There are 17 certifications, part of the same program, online practical training and video-based lectures, live classes, lifetime access, lifetime update, and support from mentors with IIC. So even if you're a student looking for a job, looking to start a business, you can do this program. If you're a working professional looking for changing your career into e-commerce, you can join this program. Or if you want to have a side income where you want to start your online business, this can be more profitable than your job also, then you can quit your job and become a full-time entrepreneur with us. But the learning will be so much practical that will give you the confidence to start your own business. And if you are already a business owner, I suggest you to get started with the e-commerce business today so you can go global with the strategies that I'm giving you. So we have been working with Amazon, with Alibaba, Ministry of Micro, Small, Medium Enterprises, Tata Group, and many more. So this certified e-commerce professional, we call it as an all-in-one program. This is a bundle of 17 certifications with lifetime access, update, and support, and made for anyone and everyone who want to venture into e-commerce business. So you're getting the access of study material like ebooks, white papers, case studies with lifetime access, update, and support, and the store builder where you can simply list the products and start making sales. I'm confident that you can get started with this business easily. So, how much do you think for starting an e-commerce business the cost should be? Where you're getting the mentorship, you're getting the database of buyers and suppliers. I'm just telling you. I'm also giving you the ready-made plug-and-play e-commerce store builder. I'm giving you 20 to 25 good social media and digital marketing software tools, and also live classes, recorded contents, and various level of support with lifetime access update with this e-commerce business opportunity and the program. So the mentorship, the store builder, everything included should cost about a few lakh rupees. I started my business, I had invested crores of rupees in just learning research and development, and after all that study, after burning all that money, I learned. So you do not have to invest that same amount of money, because with my experience in the last 10 years, whatever I have done, I have trained these entrepreneurs and experts, and they are selling their e-commerce products in marketplaces. They have built their own brand. So many of them have got funded, and a lot of my students are already placed in top companies like Flipkart, Google, Myntra, Alibaba, Amazon, and many more. And my students are giving great positive reviews about the program. So you are learning from somebody who is an expert in the e-commerce domain and who has already learned with this hard work. So you do not have to invest the same amount of money that I have invested to learn this. So I have made sure that this program costs just about this much only, so that you get the plug and play e-commerce store builder, you get the ready-made export opportunity, you can start selling on marketplaces, you can make profits with the entire plug and play ready-made business opportunity, with everything included in this entire package. So get started with this business opportunity, because this is the lowest possible investment you will be doing to build a highly successful, profitable venture under the guidance of Indian Institute of E-commerce and the experts of IIC.